Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable CORS errors in local development for UI API testing. Complete guide step by step clearly. To disable CORS errors in local development, you need to follow a few straightforward steps. First, understand what CORS stands for: cross-origin resource sharing. CORS errors commonly occur when your frontend and backend are hosted on different origins. Start by opening your development environment. If you're using a web server like Node.js with Express, you can use middleware to configure CORS. Install the CORS package by running the command npm install CORS in your terminal. Next, in your server file, require the CORS module by adding const CORS equals require CORS. Then, enable CORS by adding app.use CORS in your app setup. This allows your frontend to communicate with the backend without CORS restrictions. If you are using other server technologies like Python's Flask, a similar approach applies. In Flask, you can install the Flask CORS package using pip install Flask CORS. Once installed, import it in your application with from flask_CORS import CORS. Next, initialize CORS by adding CORS app in your Flask app. If you are developing on a browser without an API, you can disable CORS in your browser temporarily. For Chrome, you can start it with the Disable Web Security flag. Open your terminal and type chrome.exe user data dir equals c/chrome devsec. For Firefox, you can type about config in the address bar, then set the security.file uri.strict_origin_policy to false. Keep in mind that this method should only be used in a development environment, never in production. Another option is to use a proxy server to avoid CORS issues. You can set up a proxy in your package.json file using create React app by adding a proxy, http. This tells your development server to proxy API requests to the specified backend. If you're dealing with requests from a mobile app, consider configuring your mobile emulator or using tools like Postman which handle CORS differently. Finally, always remember to remove any CORS settings before deploying to production for security reasons. By following these steps, you'll effectively disable CORS errors during your local development for UI API testing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.